Real estate is an imperishable asset. Its value appreciates the most over time, and it's the fastest way to groom an indestructible wealth. You make the decision to either buy or invest, and we see to you making massive return on your investments and making your dream home come true. With close proximity to the Dangote refinery, Lekki Deep Sea Port, Dano Milk Industries, and the Lekki Free Trade Zone, one of our fastest selling properties is Commercial Courtyard. It is a fully commercialized estate which has already been dubbed the Silicon Valley and will play host to corporate offices, banks, hospitals, an international school, 5-star hotels, industries, and lots more. The land measures 600 square meters per plot and is located in Orimedu town, Ibeju Lekki. The possibilities for investment in real estate are endless, so choose wisely. Invest with EUC Homes. For more information, call the numbers on your screens.